Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Jumo Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce PE film washing machine. This one is crusher. The crusher very convenient. The height adjustable. This crusher is PC 1000 installed with Seimens motor. SKF bearing. Hydraulic station to mowing. This machine is around 5 tons. Capacity is around 500 kg per hour for film. You see, the machine is very big, stronger machine. Inside, worker can easily open and exchange the screen. Future, it's easy to maintain. Inside is SKF bearing. The quality is top. The complete crusher under hot treatment, SKD11 material for blood, bearing, and all the wall thickness is heavy. 5 tons, that means future longer working life. After the crusher, the film will come into high-speed friction washing machine. This friction washing machine can remove the heavy dust. Please see, this rotor, it has 1200 RPM working speed. Outside has screen. The screen size is 2 millimeters. The sand and the labels and dust can be reduced from here. The working rotor is 500 millimeters. High-speed friction washer. After this washer, we are taking another floating washing tank. This floating washing tank is easy management. Here, auto water spraying. The dust can remove it out. The dust always flowing to the channel. Easy maintenance. 1, 2. This is 3-shaft floating washing tank. Inside the structure, I will show you more pictures later. Next one, it is the working machine. If you like to know more details, please email me. I will share you the complete quotation and offer.